Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get the form action URL from Mailchimp's embedded forms. If you've been trying to integrate Mailchimp with a custom website or connect your sign-up form to a different platform, this is a crucial step to make the magic happen. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to grab that all-important form action URL so your mailing list can start collecting subscribers from anywhere you need. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. If you don't have a Mailchimp account yet, don't worry, it's free to get started and the process is super straightforward. Once you're inside, navigate to the audience that you want folks to subscribe to. This could be your main newsletter, your launch list, whatever you'd like people to sign up for. Next up, you'll need to create an embedded form. In Mailchimp, look for the audience menu, then choose Sign Up Forms. Here, you'll see an option for embedded forms. Click into that, and you'll arrive at a page where you can customize how your sign-up form will look. You might see a few different form styles: classic, condensed, horizontal. Just pick the one that fits your website. But honestly, since we're really after the back-in-action URL, the style doesn't matter at this stage. Take your time here and feel free to adjust any fields or messages if you want to, like adding a spot for the first name or changing the wording on the subscribe button. It's like arranging furniture before inviting people over. You want things set up just how you like. Now here, where things get a bit more technical, but I promise it's nothing overwhelming. Once your form is ready, Mailchimp automatically generates the HTML code for you. This is the code you copy and paste onto your website to display the form. The HTML might look a little intimidating if you're not used to code, but you don't need to understand all of it. What we're searching for is the form action URL inside this blob of text. Take a look at the code Mailchimp provides. You'll want to spot a line that starts with form and is followed by a long web address, usually starting with HTTP or HTTPS. This action URL is super important because it tells your website where to send the form data when someone signs up. Think of it as the postal address where all your new subscribers' information gets delivered. Go ahead and carefully select just the web address within those quotation marks. If you accidentally grab the angle brackets or the word action, don't sweat it, just try again. It sometimes takes a couple of tries to get used to, especially if you're copying and pasting code by hand. Once you have that URL copied, you can use it anywhere that requires the form's action endpoint. This is especially useful for folks who are building a custom form or connecting Mailchimp with another tool or plugin. And that's honestly all there is to it. You've now grabbed your Mailchimp form action URL and you're ready to integrate it wherever you need. If you hit a snag or if the form code looks confusing, don't hesitate to pause the video and rewatch that part. Sometimes going step by step is all you need. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more clarity. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.